You guys don't know the power of editing yet. Like, you see this video playing on my screen right now, Omo. I used this video for my restream yesterday, and it generated over 200k views. Like, it gave me more than 500 subscribers, and also a little, a little ego. You guys don't know what, like, you don't know the power of editing, okay? You have to edit in a way that it looks so real. Like yesterday, day before yesterday, when I used it, a lot of people were asking, they thought it's real. They were asking, are you okay? Sorry, what happened to you? How did this happen? Like, I was just on my bed laughing, reading comments and laughing. Guys, join me in this video. Let me show you how you can do something like this, or even better than this, using CapCut. So the first thing you do is to record yourself walking. Then all of a sudden you do like something hit you, okay? Then you hold your leg and just do like you are feeling pain. You understand that kind of a thing? That's the first video you need to do. Then after that, you can do any other thing you want. Then you walk away. You tiptoe, okay? Then you go to TikTok and download Car Crash Green Screen. Let me show you how you can download it on TikTok, or if you have any other place that you can get free green screen, you get it. So we are going to download it in TikTok. But when you download a TikTok video, it usually comes with that TikTok watermark. So we are going to download it through Chrome. You first of all copy the link so that watermark will not be there. All right. So you open your Chrome. After, you must have copied the link. Then you search for Snaptick. We want to download it so that the TikTok watermark will not be there. You search for Snaptick. Can you see it? Snaptick app. Then click on search. Then you can see paste TikTok link here. You paste your link. That's what I'm doing here. Then you click on download. It's going to search for it. Click on download HD. Can you see it? Download HD. You click on continue. Then let the ads to play. After that, it's going to download. Click on save. Then you download it. After downloading, you go back to your CapCut, okay? Go back to your video. Then click on overlay. Add overlay, then bring in your green screen. Always remember to delete that CapCut logo. This is my green screen now, so you just trim out the part that you don't need, okay? Then this is the part that you need. Then let me reduce the speed because this one is much. Okay, I think this is good. All right, so you go to remove BJ, remove background. Can you see it there? The center one. Click on chroma key. Then use that chroma key and remove the green background. Then you go to adjust because the car is still green. Some part of it is still green. You go to adjust. Click on adjust, the center one. Then you go to HSL. You click on the green color, then click on adjust, drag it back. Can you see now the green color has gone, okay? Then you use your hand and adjust the car. You are going to do a little walk. You adjust it in a way that immediately you do like something hit you. That's the exact time the car is going to jam your leg or something like that. So just adjust it in a way that it will be good. That's what I'm trying to do now. All right, so you just keep adjusting until you get what you want. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay, so but the green screen is not enough. Can you see? After some time the thing disappeared and it's not supposed to be like that. So I will click on the green screen, then go to freeze. Click on freeze. Then click on that one again. Click on freeze. You keep freezing it until it gets to the end of your video, okay? If not, when the green screen finish, it will disappear and your editing will be bad. it won't look real again. Okay, so you keep freezing it until you get to where you want it to stop. I think this is where I want it to stop, so I'm going to delete this one. You click on delete, and this part of my video I'm going to split and delete. This name that I put here, I'm going to split and delete so that everything will be in the same line. You keep adjusting. Okay, this one too I will delete so that everything will look real. All right, so once you are done adjusting, you play your video to make sure that everything is okay, to make sure that it's good. So let's play the video. Okay, can you see it? This is how mine looks. This is how it looks. We are done, guys. This is it. Okay, once you are done, you save your video. All right, you click on export, then save your video. Your video is ready. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on my next video.